All right. We out here cleaning up. We even got the queens and the princesses and the kings cleaning up. Check it out. FDMG. FDMG. FDMG cleanup gang. We not playing out here today. We not playing out here today. Frederick Douglass Marcus Garvey Academy cleanup party. Dr. Papa Boulevard, Ifatunde Avenue. If you come, come. No excuses. Will the real nation builders please stand up? Will the real nation builders please stand up? Yes, indeed, black man. Stop right there. What you got to say to the people?
Oh, man, come on out, man, and support Dr. Umar and his endeavors, man.
Yes, indeed. What you say down there, beautiful? What we about to do, we about to start an intellectual academic revolution. I'm Dr. DrUmarJohnson, the most requested black scholar in the world. We just bought these two schools. This will be the Frederick Douglass Marcus Garvey Academy. Tuition-based, independent, no public, no charter, self-determination. Today is cleanup day. We getting ready for the contractors to come in and do what they do. Talk to me, talk. You part of the family. Talk, queen mother.
No, we have daycare.
Y'all have a daycare. Where you at? Okay, you got, put my number in your phone.
Okay.
Let me know when you're ready. Let me know when you're ready.
Okay.
215-989-9858. Give me a call. UMAR, Dr. Umar, AKA Big Papa, Dr. Umar, UMAR Johnson. Hit me up, queen. Appreciate you, black man. Wait, let him see the pit a little bit. We Facebook Live and bring that pit back. He ain't gonna get at me, is he? All right. What's his name? All right, see, when y'all come here and y'all not showing love, we gonna bring the pit to you. You feel me? We gonna put a red, black, and green dog shirt on it. You know what I mean? RBG the pit. Appreciate you, black man. All right. About to get back to the cleanup. I can't be on this live long because I'm the lead. I got the lead by example, so it's time to clean up. We here at 2 o'clock. Come on out. FDMG, next level. We got the school. Now it's time to renovate. Get them donations in. Cash.me/$FDMG school. Cash.me/$FDMG school. We even got a 7-year-old princess out here helping us out. We got a 7-year-old princess out here helping us out. Everybody want to come to the block parties. Everybody want to come to the opening ceremonies. But who out here helping us clean up? Will the real nation builders please stand up? Will the real nation builders please stand up? We working. We working. We working.